Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mac. I just wanted to touch base on something that we're going to have coming up a little further down the road. Some chroma keying and green screening effects. So I just wanted to give a quick example here if I could. I just turned on the screen capture here and opened up Adobe Premiere. And so down the line we're going to be doing this, but let me just see if I can give you a quick example of this, because actually I think one of the instructors wants to come over and do some green screening. I don't know if they want to put themselves in some other country or do something, but it's for biology, so I told him that we could do it for him, so we'll do that. So I'll just grab a quick video clip of green screening here. You can see that, and it's angled wrong, right? So let's just go ahead and click that, and as you see the arrow change over there, it allows me to spin it there. So I'm going to try to straighten it up there, align the wheels up there. So we put it right there. From there, I'm going to put a backdrop, some kind of backdrop. I took the screenshot, I think, from the John Carroll web page. I think a hallway, one of the new hallways we have. You can see that. So it's a little small there, isn't it? So let's go ahead and click that, or click that. Let's just kind of make that fill the screen. So change the size of that. I'm turning on a file, turning off, if you notice over here. So there we go. We've got two files. What can we do? We want to remove the green screen, just like you'll be removing it possibly from someone doing the newscast this semester, or sitting at the anchor desk there. So we've got one file with the green screen, and we just put on some kind of backdrop. Let's look over here and see what they've got. Video effects, adjust, distort, image keying. Aha! Keying effects. Color key. We could do that. Luma key. I've been using this Ultra key lately. I'm just going to grab this Ultra key, drag it right on there, and now we've got some properties up here in the effects control window. We can take the arrow up here and take the eyedropper, and we can actually click on that green, and bam! Did you see that? Let me see if I can undo that. Guess not. I wanted to show you. There we go. Yeah. I'm going to take the eyedropper and bam, click on the green. Still a little bit of residue over here, right? So let's see if we could kind of change a little bit of transposition here. I don't like the shadow. Yeah, that's where we get the shadow kind of. So let's see there's all the shadow. So let's kind of remove that shadow a little bit there. And then we'll give the tolerance a little effect there. That is still, and we also have a little bit of matte cleanup. We could choke it to a certain degree. And we're going to soften it just maybe one hair. And I don't see any spill suppression that we need. I mean, if we go too far, we could actually change the color of it if we wanted to do that, but that's affecting it right on there. So if we're in a hurry, just to give you a quick example how we remove that, right? With that, it's the Ultra key. That's without it, right? And now it's put on the Ultra key. And as you can see, there it's all removed, right? If I wanted to animate that background, of course, in Premiere, you'd highlight that track, go up to Motion, put in 2 keyframes right here. Let's say we wanted it to start to grow right there and grow into about there. So I'm going to change the scale to about there. And then as you click back, about right here, it's going to start to grow that background because we put in a keyframe, and here it comes. The background's growing. You can change the speed, and we got a little bit of chroma keying. Okay, it's Mr. Mac out. See you in class.